Plants have been growing in the wild for ages. Then we discovered agriculture, and we have been growing crops such as wheat and barley for thousands of years. Thanks to the taming of wild plants and classical plant breeding, we have been able to produce various staple foods for a growing world population. But in modern times, these developments have led to a smaller variety of crops for seed cultivation and farming. On top of that, climate change has caused longer periods of droughts, extreme flooding, and rising temperatures in many parts of the world. All this, combined with plagues and pests, form a significant threat to our food security and affect farmers big and small everywhere, as they need to adapt the type of seeds they grow to changing conditions. This is a big challenge. Gene banks can help with this challenge. Gene banks are institutions that collect and store seeds for research and cultivation, with the aim of developing crops that can thrive in various conditions. However, many gene banks don't have the capacity to catalogue data on all traits of all the seeds in their collection. So, how do you find the right seeds amongst 7.5 million seed types that are stored in more than 1,700 gene banks across the world? Especially when most gene banks don't generate extensive genetic data, let alone use standardized formats to make genetic data comparable. To help farmers and seed producers diversify their crops and contribute to food security across the world, life scientists and data researchers have joined their powers to form Agent. Agent is a network of gene banks focusing on wheat and barley that operates across Europe and the Middle East. The aim is to transform gene banks from seed repositories into advanced bioinformatics resource centres to form a state-of-the-art digital information exchange. Agent aims to determine the genetic information of every type of wheat and barley seeds stored in gene banks across the world. This is called genotyping. What makes Agent unique is that it generates bioinformatics data in a standardized way. Thanks to this process, scientists can now compare data of the seed collection at different gene banks. This way, researchers can find out how plants with similar genotypes perform across the world, including regions affected by climate change. What's more, Agent offers a new way of effective collaboration by setting new and improved international standards for gene bank management. A European initiative with a global reach that helps to ensure food security and biodiversity. Now and in the future. Visit our website today.